A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is intuition, cosmic digital image of the mind. Ladies and gentlemen, across centuries, humanity has marveled at the phenomena called intuition, a sudden clarity, a guiding sense, or a silent voice within. Ancient wisdom revealed it as a divine whisper. Modern science studies it through the lenses of neurobiology, quantum physics, and cosmobiology. Today, a deeper understanding is emerging. Intuition may be the cosmic digital image formed in the mind, an intricate process where energy from the universe interfaces with the human brain, weaving thoughts, solutions, and directions in moments of profound insight. At the heart of intuition lies the brain's extraordinary ability to interface with cosmic energy. The universe, rich in photons, waves, and quantum particles, constantly bathes all life forms in its subtle currents. The brain acts as both a receiver and a transmitter in this invisible dialogue, translating cosmic signals into emergent awareness. Prayer, especially heartfelt and emotionally charged, becomes a catalyst in this cosmic conversation. It organizes and amplifies the mind's energy, signaling a focused intent outward into the vast field of divine intelligence. In response, cosmic energy in the form of fine particles and waves flows back, carrying information and support tailored to the soul's call. This incoming energy acts like digital pixels, tiny luminous units assembling gradually on the canvas of the mind. Initially, only fragments of an image may appear, a vague sense, a partial solution, or a directional hint. As more cosmic energy is drawn in through continued prayer, emotional sincerity, and the brain's processing of sensory data, these pixels multiply. Slowly, an increasingly coherent digital image emerges within the mind, giving birth to what is recognized as intuition, a clarity that was once unseen now shines with guiding precision. Stillness and quiet within the mind serves as sacred grounds where these subtle cosmic signals can land, assemble, and shape the emerging digital image of intuition with greater sharpness. Beyond awareness, faith in the cosmic system acts as a powerful emotional conductor, expanding the brain's receptivity to divine energy. Faith strengthens emotional resonance, heightens the power of prayer, and prepares the inner landscape for the arrival of clarity. The heart that trusts becomes a magnet for cosmic whispers, enabling the mind to weave finer, clearer images from the incoming light. Ancient cultures intuitively understood this delicate sacred mechanism. Practices of meditation, prayer, emotional cultivation, and trust in the divine flow were seen as necessary preparations for receiving insight. Today, science is unraveling the neurophysiological and quantum dimensions of these ancient practices, confirming that the brain's health, emotional state, and inner belief systems deeply influence its capacity to transmit and receive cosmic energies. A healthy, vibrant brain acts like a finely tuned antenna. Emotional energy generated through genuine prayers enhances the brain's transmitting power, while its faith and vibrational alignment determine how fully cosmic responses are perceived, processed, and translated into actionable understanding. As the brain processes incoming quantum pixels and weaves them into coherent thought forms, the marvel of intuition unfolds, offering solutions, inspirations, and pathways that might otherwise remain hidden. What's the way forward? Greater awareness of this living interface between cosmic energy and the brain can unlock deeper human potential, strengthening emotional sincerity in prayer, maintaining brain health through mindful living, cultivating moments of stillness, and above all, nurturing unshakable faith in the cosmic system can collectively sharpen intuitive faculties, recognizing intuition not as random chance but as a dynamic cosmic digital interaction allows individuals to consciously nurture this inner guidance system. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, intuition is not a mysterious accident but a natural, beautiful convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science, the dance of cosmic energy and the mind. As awareness grows and faith deepens, so too does the ability to harness this profound gift. In nurturing the brain, the heart, and the spirit, each individual becomes a clearer channel for divine insight, illuminating paths yet to be traveled. In the timeless words of Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, to those who are constantly devoted and who worship me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Through devotion, through prayer, through inner stillness and conscious faith, the cosmic energies shape clearer visions within. In honoring this sacred process, the light of intuition becomes not just a guide, but a living bridge between the human soul and the infinite intelligence of the cosmos. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.